From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing kind of some light rain and snow showers here this morning. We will be seeing some heavier bands of rain coming in this afternoon. Let's take a look at our CAVV tower camera. We're not seeing those Utica city lights shining as bright because we are seeing a little bit of precipitation up here on the hill this morning. So if you are getting ready to head out the door anytime soon, I would definitely grab that umbrella. We are going to be seeing some rain later on today, as well as your jacket. Temperatures are in the 30s now. We will rise to the mid-40s for the high today, as well as giving yourself a little extra time, especially if you do live in areas of higher elevations. They did see some snow last night, so the roads could be quite slippery this morning. Now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, our first round of precipitation is kind of moving through at the moment. We are seeing just a little rain-snow mix in our area, but I am going to zoom out to the radar and satellite. And this low pressure system to the west will be moving towards our area today, bringing a band of precipitation with it. So first, we are going to get this warm front moving through. That will bring our temperature to the mid-40s for the high today. But closely following it, we will be seeing a cold front that will drop our temperature into the 30s for the overnight hours, changing that rain that we are going to see into snow overnight. This snow does look to linger around for tomorrow morning, but then we will be drying out for the day tomorrow. Our temperatures right now are fairly warm on average for this time of day. Our temperatures are ranging in the lower to upper 30s here this morning, so it is quite warm in comparison to the past couple of days. Now looking at our skycast, we will be clearing out a little bit before our next band of precipitation does move through in the afternoon and the evening hours. Now at around 8 p.m. we will be starting to see some snow showers, especially in higher elevations. This will kind of clear out at around 9 a.m. tomorrow. Now we will be seeing some sunshine tomorrow and a high a little bit colder, just in the mid-30s. Now for the rest of the day, we will be seeing some rain move in, a high in the mid-40s, and overnight tonight that rain will be mixing and then turning over into snow, especially for higher elevations, with a low in the low 30s. That snow does look to linger around just in the morning hours tomorrow before we do see some sunshine later on. We will be seeing some more light snow showers due to lake effect coming in on Saturday with a high in the upper 30s. And we are drying out once again on Sunday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. This Saturday, a fun community trip.
We're saying good morning to Deerfield and all of the greater Utica region. Today, there may be some problems traveling, especially this morning. Areas of higher elevation did see some snow last night, while other areas like the Mohawk Valley and the Southern Valleys did see some light rain showers. So the roadways can be very slippery this morning when traveling. By the afternoon, we are going to be seeing all rain showers because our temperatures will be in the 40s. And then overnight tonight, it will be turning to snow. So just be careful when driving. When we get mixed precipitation like this, it can become very slippery. Now, our chance of rain right now is low, but it goes right back up to likely at around 11 a.m. this morning. It drops back down Friday morning as it does start to clear out and turn into snow in the morning hours on Friday. We'll be drying out for the rest of the day on Friday. But once this cold front does move through today, bringing in that rain, it will also bring in some windy conditions. We're looking at windy conditions today, and they will remain for tomorrow, dropping to breezy on Saturday, but we are going to be seeing another cold front kind of make its way towards the area on Sunday, so we'll be getting some wind from that on Sunday as well. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The sound of music's
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We just saw a rain-snow mix move through our area here early this morning. We'll be seeing some rain showers move back in for the afternoon today. Let's take a look at our CAVV tower camera. We are overlooking the city of Utica, mostly cloudy skies here, and we did see a rain-snow mix up here on top of Smith Hill this morning. So if you are getting ready to head out the door, I would definitely grab the umbrella. We are going to be seeing some rain showers moving in today, as well as a jacket, because temperatures are in the 30s right now, rising to the mid-40s, but it is going to be raining, as well as giving yourself a little extra time if you are heading out this morning. The roadways could be slippery because we did see a rain-snow mix earlier this morning. Now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we see that mix, those light snow showers, they are kind of up in Old Forge right now, but they are moving west. So once this moves out, we will be dry. but we are going to be seeing some more rain moving in late this morning, early afternoon hours due to this low pressure system from the west. So this warm front is moving through our area right now. This is what is going to rise our temperature to the mid-40s for the high today. But just after this warm front comes a cold front. As soon as this comes in, it will drop our temperature right back down into the 30s for the overnight hours and for tomorrow, bringing in that wind as well. Now, we are going to be seeing rain later on this afternoon, and this will be turning to snow in the overnight hours as those temperatures drop. Now, our temperatures this morning are in the 30s, so it is warm for this time of day, but it is going to rise to the mid-40s, which is very warm for this time of year. Now, on our Skycast, we do see a few scattered showers still lingering around. Temperatures are slowly rising to the mid-40s. We'll see some rain later on this afternoon and evening. And around 8 p.m. tonight, we will be seeing this rain turning into snow showers, especially for areas of higher elevations. Now, the snow all looks to come to an end at around 9 a.m. tomorrow, and we will be mostly dry tomorrow, seeing some sunshine, but a little bit cooler, and we will still be windy, with the high just in the lower 30s. Now for today, we have a high in the mid-40s, so it is going to be quite warm out there today, but we are going to be seeing some rain, so it is going to be kind of a cold rain. And overnight tonight, that rain will be turning into some snow showers with a low in the 30s. That snow looks to clear out tomorrow morning. We'll be dry, some sunshine returning for tomorrow. We will see some light lake effect snow showers return on Saturday, drying out once again on Sunday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. New Yorkers know.
Welcome back, everybody. Here is your sidewalk forecast for the next couple of days, or either tonight and tomorrow. So we are going to be seeing some ice this morning. We did see a rain-snow mix, especially in higher elevations, so just be careful of that. It will be quite wet for the day today. We'll be seeing some rain coming in later on. That rain will be turning to snow overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. So maybe seeing some snow on the sidewalks as well. So it is going to be quite messy, so just be careful of that. Today it will be overcast, but tomorrow after that snow clears out in the morning, we'll be seeing a lot of sunshine. So we will be getting numerous breaks in the clouds, but on Saturday and on Sunday, we'll be seeing some light snow showers on Saturday. So we will be getting just a few breaks, and on Sunday it will be mostly cloudy, hopefully getting a few breaks for some sunshine to come in here and there. So if you are getting ready to plan out your weekend, I would say Sunday is the better day. It will remain dry on Sunday, but mostly cloudy. On Saturday, we'll be seeing light rain showers kind of moving in the late morning to early afternoon hours. This shouldn't be a problem when traveling, but it is going to be quite wet out there on Saturday. So I would definitely say Sunday is the better day. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The United Way is
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We did see just a little bit of a rain-snow mix earlier here this morning. We are now since starting to dry out, but we will see some rain showers move back in later on today. So let's take a look at our CAVI tower camera. Overlooking the city of Utica, we are seeing a mostly cloudy and overcast sky, but we are dried out from earlier this morning. Now, if you are getting ready to head out the door, I would definitely grab the umbrella. We are going to be seeing some rain later on today, as well as your jacket, and maybe giving yourself a little extra time. We did see a rain-snow mix earlier this morning, so roadways may still be slippery from that. Now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, the rain-snow mix has since moved off into the east, and we're not really seeing anything in our area right now. But I am going to zoom out to our radar and satellite to show you that this is the low-pressure system in the west that is going to be moving towards our area today. Now, we are first going to see a warm front move through. That is why our high today is pretty warm, a high in the mid-40s. And we'll be seeing this band of precipitation moving along with it. Now, right behind the warm front, the cold front does come through, bringing in some windy conditions for today and for tomorrow, as well as dropping that temperature back down into the 30s for the overnight hours, and it will remain into the 30s tomorrow. And we will be seeing that rain turning over to snow overnight. Now, temperatures right now are pretty warm for December 2nd and for this time of day. We are ranging all throughout the 30s this morning, so it is pretty warm out there. It is not as bad for December 2nd. So now on our Skycast, we are kind of cleared up, but later this morning to early afternoon, we will be seeing some rain moving into the area. Now at around 8 p.m., our temperatures will start to drop, and we will be seeing a snow move in for the overnight hours tonight. Now at around 9 a.m. tomorrow, we will begin to clear out and maybe even seeing some sunshine for tomorrow, but our high is going to be about 10 degrees cooler than today with a high in the mid-30s. Now for today, we have a high in the mid-40s. We'll be seeing that rain moving in later on. And overnight tonight, that rain will be turning over to snow. So just be careful if you are traveling with lows down into the 30s. Now it is going to be quite breezy today as that cold front moves through, and it will remain breezy for tomorrow. But that snow looks to clear out tomorrow morning at around 9 a.m. for some sunshine. We are going to be seeing some light lake effect snow showers on Saturday before drying out once again on Sunday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. This Saturday, a fun.
We're saying good morning to Deerfield and all of the greater Utica region. I did want to point out to just be careful when driving here today. We did see a rain-snow mix earlier this morning, so roadways could be very slippery from that. We are going to be turning to all rain for the afternoon and evening hours today. We will turn into snow overnight tonight. So just be careful. We will be seeing a lot of precipitation changes, which could cause some slippery roadways. Now, the chance of rain is low right now, but it is going to go right back up to likely right before noon today, and it will remain probable. Then it will turn back down to scattered as we get into the early morning hours tomorrow. That rain is looking to end tomorrow morning, and it will be snow at that time. So that is looking to end tomorrow morning, and we will be drying out for the day tomorrow until we get into Saturday. Now, with this cold front coming through today, it is going to kind of leave behind some wind. So today will be very windy, and the same thing goes for tomorrow. As we get to Saturday, it will drop down to breezy, but then go right back up on Sunday as we are going to be seeing another cold front approaching for Monday. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Legislation designed to.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We did wake up with a rain-snow mix earlier this morning, but that has since started to clear out, and we will be seeing rain later on today. So let's take a look at our CAVV tower camera. We are not really seeing any precipitation in any of our areas right now, just mostly cloudy skies. But if you are getting ready to head out the door soon, I would definitely grab that umbrella because we will be seeing some rain later on, as well as your jacket, and maybe give yourself a little extra time. We did see a rain and snow mix, especially in higher elevations here this morning, so there may be some slippery roadways. Now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, again, our area is clear right now, but I am going to zoom out to this low pressure system just to the west of us. This will move into our area throughout the morning this morning, and we will have the warm front move through first. We are going to be seeing some precipitation late this morning, early afternoon, but with this warm front, our high will be in the mid-40s. Now, closely after the warm front, the cold front will be following it. That will drop our temperature, and that rain for today will turn into some scattered snow showers overnight. Now, some Skywatch reports are coming in this morning. We are ranging in the 30s, so that is pretty warm for this time of day and for the start of December. We are in the lower to mid 30s in the North Country. We are in the mid to upper 30s here in the Mohawk Valley. And we are in the mid to upper 30s in the southern valleys as well. So it is pretty warm out there, but that rain today will feel a bit cold. Now let's look at our skycast. We are mostly clear right now, but we will be seeing that rain just before noon or a little after noon, and that will remain rainy for the rest of the day. Now at around 8 p.m., that is when we are going to start seeing that rain turn into snow, especially in higher elevations overnight tonight. But by Friday morning at 9 a.m., this will all start to clear out. We'll be seeing some sunshine tomorrow as well, with a high 10 degrees cooler than today in the mid-30s. Before today, we have a high in the mid-40s, and we will be seeing some rain later on, turning into snow in the overnight hours with the low in the 30s. Now, that snow is only looking to last for the morning hours on Friday before clearing out for some sunshine. And we'll be seeing some light lake effect snow showers on Saturday and clearing out once again on Sunday. Back to you, Gary.
Sound of Music, Peter Pan, Harrison.
Welcome back. I did want to point out a sidewalk forecast for today with all the mixed precipitation that we had this morning and we will have overnight tonight. So this morning it may be icy if you do live in the area of higher elevation. We did see a rain-snow mix this morning, but we will be seeing mostly rain for the day today. Now overnight tonight, that rain will be turning into snow, so maybe seeing some snowy sidewalks or roadways tonight. Now, it is going to be overcast today, but tomorrow, after that snow clears out in the morning, maybe seeing numerous breaks in the clouds. And for Saturday and Sunday, we'll be seeing a few breaks for a chance with some sunshine. Now, if you are planning out your weekend, I would say Sunday would be the better day. We are looking at some light scattered lake effect snow showers for the day on Saturday, but it will be dry for Sunday. I'll have a look at your day planner coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The United Way is looking.
Welcome back. We did see some snow move in overnight, especially areas with higher elevations. So we are looking at our Mesonet cameras across New York State this morning. Old Forge, Woodgate, Coldbrook, Westmoreland, Herkimer, we're all looking at snow in all of these areas on the ground. But other areas like Camden, Mooresfield, Sherburne, they're not seeing any snow on the ground this morning. We are going to be seeing some rain today, so this could wash away some of the snow on the ground. So we did see some rain and snow this morning, so if you are traveling, please be careful of that. Conditions on the roads could be quite slippery. We will see rain today, and it will be all rain, not really any snow mixed in there. But overnight tonight, this rain will be turning into snow as our temperature drops into the 30s. Now, with this cold front moving through, bringing in this rain, we will be seeing some windy conditions today, and windy conditions will remain for the day tomorrow. So for today, we have a high in the mid-40s. We are going to be seeing some rain, and overnight tonight we have a low in the 30s, and that rain will be turning into snow before clearing out tomorrow morning. Back to you, Gary.
Thanks. Time now to look at some of the events.
Welcome back. So we are going to be seeing some rain moving in today, but we are mostly cloudy and dry right now. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This low pressure system just to the west of us will be moving towards our area along with this cold front, bringing in this band of precipitation in the late morning to early afternoon hours today, and it will turn into some snow showers overnight. With this cold front, we will be seeing an increase in wind speed, as we can kind of see towards the west of us. They are already getting quite windy over there. We have 5 miles per hour right now. We are going to be seeing breezy conditions for the rest of the day and for tomorrow. Now, if you are getting ready to head out, I would just be careful when driving. We did see a rain-snow mix earlier this morning. It could cause some slippery road issues, and by the afternoon, we will just be seeing widespread rain. Now, for the rest of the day, we will be seeing rain. It will be a bit warmer with highs in the mid-40s, but that rain will still feel cold, and it will turn into snow overnight. Back to you, Gary.
Thanks. New Yorkers know the holiday season.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are mostly dry, but mostly cloudy right now, and we will be seeing some rain moving in today. Let's take a look at our Cavity Tower camera. We are mostly cloudy and overcast. You can kind of see the sunrise there, as well as some snow accumulation on the ground from last night. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we were just seeing a few extra snow showers up in the Adirondacks this morning. We are mostly dry in our area. We did see a rain-snow mix last night, so roadways could still be slippery. But this low pressure system from the west will be moving into our area throughout the day today, bringing in this band of precipitation with it. So we'll be seeing rain today. That will turn into snow overnight as that temperature drops, clearing out for tomorrow. Now, our temperature at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome is at 38 degrees, mostly cloudy, and temperatures reach the mid-40s for the high today. So we are mostly cloudy right now. We will be seeing that rain moving in the late morning to early afternoon hours. And around 8 p.m. tonight, this will start to turn into snow for the overnight hours. Now, we are going to be all cleared out by around 9 a.m. tomorrow, maybe even seeing some sunshine tomorrow, but the windy conditions will remain, as well as the cooler temperatures. Now, for today, we have a high in the mid-40s. We will be seeing rain this afternoon and evening, and overnight tonight, that rain could be turning into snow with a low in the 30s. Now, that snow will clear out tomorrow morning for sunshine tomorrow and a high of 34. We will see some light lake effect snow showers return on Saturday before we dry out on Sunday.
Today we are talking rain instead of snow. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now. And Hannah, it looked like there was some heavy rain coming down in parts.
Yes, so earlier before the news did start, our band of precipitation on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar was more of a red and an orange in some spots, but now it is kind of starting to die down. We are seeing areas of yellow and dark green, which is still heavy rain, but is not as heavy as it once was, and has since started to move off into the eastern part of the eastern part of our viewing area, and will continue to move to the east. Now, with this cold front that is moving through with that rain, it is kind of leaving behind quite a wind. Like, look at Rochester, they are at 30 miles per hour wind speeds recorded recorded. Syracuse 15. We are at 9 in Rome, but it will continue to get windy throughout the evening and for tomorrow. So rain and wind is prominent this afternoon. We will see some snow showers overnight, and these snow showers will end tomorrow morning. But for the rest of the day, we will be seeing rain with temperatures in the 40s, so a little bit warmer for the beginning of December. And I will be tracking out that snow coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. We now know that the 100 employees.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing some rain showers still lingering in our area, but we did see a heavy band move over earlier this morning. So let's take a look at our Cavity Tower camera. We are not seeing any more rain here in Utica. We are seeing that snow accumulation kind of starting to melt as that rain did move through, and our temperatures right now are in the 40s. That is way above freezing. Now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, this is the cold front that just moved through and did bring a band of precipitation with it. It is now kind of affecting the eastern part of our viewing area, and this will continue to move east. We may be seeing some more scattered showers here this afternoon, and some snow returns for overnight. Now, on the radar and satellite, we did see that rain was very heavy just a little bit earlier this morning, but as it is moving through, it is weakening. So we are seeing just a few moderate rain showers to the eastern part of our viewing area this afternoon. But this will end within the next hour or so. Now, our temperature at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome is at 46 degrees. That is very warm for the beginning of December. It is 14 degrees above freezing, so it is starting to melt that snow in most of our areas, as well as that rain moving through, starting to melt that snow on the roadways and on the grass. Now, with this cold front moving through, it is kind of leaving behind a wind speed, so it is going to remain windy for the day today and for tomorrow. But it will die down a little bit on Saturday, and we will see more wind on Sunday as a cold front is going to move through on Monday. So when it is coming, that wind will pick right back up. If you are preparing for your weekend, I would say Sunday is the better day because at least it will be dry. On Saturday, we are going to be seeing some lake effect light snow showers as well as windy conditions still. And on Sunday, it will be a little bit drier and it will be cloudy, maybe even a touch warmer than Saturday. So let's look at all this on the Skycast. We are in the 40s right now with that rain moving through our area. We are going to continue seeing scattered showers this evening, and at around 8 p.m. this is when we start to see that snow come in with temperatures dropping into the 30s. Now the snow looks to all come to an end at around 10 a.m. tomorrow, and we will be seeing sunshine for the day tomorrow with a high in the lower 30s, so a lot cooler than we saw today. Now, moving into Saturday, we are going to be seeing some light lake effect snow showers starting to come in the morning hours on Saturday. That will kind of be the theme for the day. We will dry out once again on Sunday. Before today, we have a high in the mid-40s. We are seeing some rain out there still, and overnight tonight, we will be seeing some snow with a low in the 30s. Now, the snow looks to end tomorrow morning for some sunshine later on. We will see some light lake effect snow showers return into the forecast on Saturday before drying out on Sunday once again. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Mumps cases can half hour. Once again, here is meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We did see some heavier rain moving through earlier this morning, but we are now since just seeing a few light rain showers passing by. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The heavier band of precipitation has weakened and since moved off into the east. We are now just seeing a few scattered showers, mainly towards the east of our viewing area. Now, with this cold front moving through, we are going to be seeing a wind left behind. This cold front moved through Rochester, Syracuse, and look, 30 miles per hour winds in Rochester, 15 in Syracuse. We are recording 9 in Rome right now, but this will continue to increase throughout the afternoon and for tomorrow. So we are going to be seeing some more scattered showers and wind this afternoon. We will be seeing snow showers overnight, and this snow will end tomorrow morning. Before today, we have temperatures in the 40s. That rain will continue until tonight. It will change over to snow, and I will be tracking out this snow coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Recapping.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are now seeing just a few scattered showers still lingering in most of our areas after we did see a heavier band of precipitation move through this morning. Let's take a live look at our CATV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are not really seeing any more precipitation here this afternoon in Utica. We are just dealing with mostly cloudy skies right now. Now, if we look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, the heaviest of bands have already moved through, and since weekend, earlier this morning, we were seeing bands of yellow, orange, and even red precipitation moving through. This has since weakened and kind of moved off into the east of our viewing area, and we will just continue to see some scattered showers here this afternoon and evening before it does turn into snow in the overnight hours. Now, here's the radar at satellite showing the past couple of hours, seeing that band move through and weaken. So that cold front has since moved through, and behind this cold front, we will be seeing an increase in the wind speed. Now, our temperature right now is still at 46 degrees at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. It is mostly cloudy, and again, this is very warm for the start of December. Temperatures in the 40s, and we will be dropping right back down into the lower 30s tomorrow. So like I said, that cold front that moved through did kind of leave a wind behind. We will be seeing windy conditions for the rest of the day today and into tomorrow. It will die down a little bit on Saturday, but return on Sunday as a cold front is making its way through for Monday. So we will be seeing some wind ahead of this. Now, if you are planning out your weekend, I would definitely say Sunday is the better day of the weekend. We are going to be seeing some light lake effect snow showers on Saturday, but it is going to be just enough to kind of damper things during the day. Sunday will be dry and mostly cloudy, maybe seeing a few peaks of sunshine here and there. So I would definitely say Sunday is the better day. Now, on our Skycast, we are seeing that rain move through here this afternoon. It will since continue to weaken. We are just going to continue seeing scattered showers this afternoon and evening. Now, at around 8 p.m. tonight, we will start to see some snow in higher elevations, and we'll see some snow in the overnight hours tonight. This will end at around 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. Now, tomorrow we are going to be clearing out and drying up, seeing some sunshine later on in the day with a high about 10 degrees cooler today in the mid-30s. Now, moving into Saturday, we will see increasing clouds, and we will continue to see some light snow showers for the day on Saturday. This is due to lake effect snow, but we will be drying out once again on Sunday. So for today, we have a high in the mid-40s. We are still seeing that rain in some of our areas, and overnight tonight, we will be seeing some scattered snow showers with a low in the 30s. That snow is only looking to last until tomorrow morning. Then we will clear out and see some sunshine, but that lake effect snow will return for the day on Saturday before we dry out on Sunday. Now, on Monday, we are going to get another system coming in and bringing in some mixed precipitation and some more lake effect snow on Tuesday. Back to you, Gary.
Soon to get a big storm, I'm sure.
On Monday, it's going to be some rain and turning to snow, so that might cause some issues when traveling, so that might kind of be a little.
Yeah, but no major storm.
No major snowstorms yet, so we'll see what happens.
Yeah. Hannah, thanks. New Yorkers, no.
Let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Tracking some heavy rain out there today.
Yeah, cold front rolling through, wind with this, a big drop in the temperature. This front is continuing to march through central New York. This is producing all rain, so this is not going to cause any icy spots or any snow on the roadways. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This is coming in two bands. The leading edge is working its way through southern Herkimer County and is just about ready to move into Otsego County over the next half an hour to 45 minutes, and then more rain to the west towards Syracuse. So we are talking about rain and wind as we head into the next 1 to 2 hours for central New York. Current temperature is 48 degrees. We hit 50 an hour ago, so temperatures are heading down, and it's going to continue to cool off tonight. Cool enough for rain to turn back to snow overnight. Not expecting much accumulation. Windy and colder tomorrow, back to reality. Temperature-wise, and we're tracking some windy weather on Monday, some strong winds possible. We'll take an early look at that as well. Rain and breezy this evening, temperatures in the 40s, tracking some cooler weather as we head into the weekend. A look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Major League Baseball.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're tracking a cold front that is going to bring a big drop in the temperature along with wind and even rain changing over to some snow as we head into tonight. Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, we're looking at bands of rain moving through the area. Northern Oneida County, steady rainfall And the leading edge of rain is beginning to move into Otsego County. This is where we're seeing some gusty winds, that leading edge of the cold front. Little Falls, West Winfield. This is going to continue to head to the south and east as we head into the next couple of hours. We'll put a track on this as it moves towards Cooperstown at a little after 6. It'll probably get there a little bit sooner than that. And we are also tracking more in the way of rainfall to the west. So rain for the next 1 to 2 hours. This will switch over to snow as we head into tonight as colder air begins to work its way in. And the snowfall accumulation tonight looks to be very light. Many areas pick up less than 1 inch. Local temperatures, it was a mild day. Temperatures hit 50 degrees in many areas. Whitesboro 47, Little Falls 42, Whitesboro 45. Sherburne 46 degrees, Hamilton 46, and Skinevus with 46 degrees. If you're taking the dog or dogs out for a walk this evening, we're looking at some scattered rain showers. Temperatures will be in the low 40s. Tonight's featured dogs Georgia and Otto. And if you want to be part of this, head to Facebook, search for Bill's Buddies. This is brought to you by Staffworks. And again, if you are going for a walk this evening, sidewalks are wet and they will stay wet tonight. Even though we have some snow falling, the temperatures at the surface will be near or above freezing, so the snow will likely melt on sidewalks along with roadways and driveways. Temperature trend, we're back to seasonable temperatures here as we head into the rest of the week and into the weekend in the 30s. So noticeably cooler here tomorrow and also windy. Look at the day that sticks out. We're up to 50 again on Monday. The next weather maker bringing rain and some strong winds possible heading into Monday evening, followed by cooler temperatures. Radar and satellite image, again, tracking that cold front as it continues to head to the east. And again, heading into tonight, we do expect a changeover to some snow showers. Some light lake effect snow showers overnight. Temperatures drop down into the low 30s. Friday morning, a few flurries in the air, but we're expecting drier weather. A return to sunshine throughout the afternoon. Temperatures in the low 30s. Some light snow looks to return as we head into the start of the weekend. Saturday, widespread light snow showers. Again, little accumulation is expected on Saturday, perhaps an inch or two north of the Mohawk Valley. Temperatures in the 30s. Snow showers tonight, 29 for the low. Tomorrow, snow showers in the morning, breezy and cooler. Temperatures in the mid-30s. Windy as we head into the end of the weekend. Monday's high 50. Tuesday, mostly cloudy, 32. Some rain and snow possible Wednesday, back to 40 heading into Thursday. Tracking the winds and how strong they're expected to be on Monday coming up.
Well, thank you.
NBC's race
Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
All right, we're tracking the winds here over the next couple of days. We're getting into a windy weather pattern. The winds, at least for the next couple of days, not terribly high. It's more of a nuisance and inconvenience. But as we head into the weekend, specifically Sunday and Monday, we're keeping a really close eye on Monday afternoon and Monday evening because we have a strong cold front that's expected to move through. And there is the possibility that we could see wind gusts perhaps 40 miles an hour or stronger. So we'll keep an eye on that. Again, it is still several days away, but if the data continues to show what we're seeing now, we may end up going in and putting out a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for Monday. So we'll continue to keep you posted on that. Again, some uncertainties to iron out here over the next couple of days. Season snowfall, 2.7 inches for Utica. The average for today's date, 9.1. We're supposed to be getting into a more active part of the year, but so far, it hasn't been too active. We're running a departure of about 6.4 inches for now. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Widespread rain this evening, gusty winds, breezy conditions will continue. Rain does turn over to some snow tonight. We're taking a look at the conditions for the morning commute coming up. Kirsten, back to you.
The wind, the rain, it's having an impact on
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Tracking a cold front that is moving through central New York this evening, bringing rain and wind, along with a drop in temperature. We're expecting a transition to some snow as we head into tonight. Live look at the CATV Storm Tracker 2 tower cam, where you can look over the city of Utica. And the rain came down pretty hard during the late afternoon. It is about 4:30 when that cold front arrived here on Smith Hill. And the front is now pushing to the south and east. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Look at this, some thunder and lightning being detected in the southern half of the area. Cooperstown, again, some lightning strikes in the vicinity here as well as Hartwick. This is, again, part of a cold front that will continue to move south and east. We are still tracking some light rain on the back end of this front. Even a return to snow. It's one of those fronts that's producing quite a bit of weather, from snow in the northern half to thunderstorms in the southern half of our area. Gotta love the weather here this time of the year. Sky watchers, 30s across parts of the area, especially north. West Leyden 38, or 36 rather. Boonville, Marjorie 38. But as you head south, you can notice the temperatures warm up. 47 in New Hartford, Cooperstown 46, Milford 43. Morris checking in with 47. Helen and Cassville with 44. Again, that cold front continues to march east. Behind it, windy, colder weather. We do expect to see some lake effect rain and snow showers develop tonight. The accumulations look to be on the lighter side. Temperatures fall below freezing overnight, down into the low 30s by tomorrow morning. Some very light snow showers early Friday morning, but the weather is expected to clear out. We're expecting a return to sunshine, but it is going to be a blustering cold day with temperatures in the mid-30s. Tomorrow night, the weather looks quiet. We'll see an increase in cloud cover. Saturday, light snow arrives from the west. A very weak area of low pressure moves through. And with temperatures near or above freezing, it's another one of those scenarios where the snow is just going to have a hard time sticking, with the exception being across the North Country, where the potential of an inch or two of accumulation is in the forecast. Again, looking at snowfall again over the next 48 hours, really not much accumulation takes place across our area, just an inch or two possible north of the Mohawk Valley. Snow showers tonight, low of 29. Tomorrow, it's a breezy day. It starts out gray with a few light snow showers, and then sunshine returns. Temperatures climb into the mid-30s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Light snow Saturday, 37. Cloudy skies Sunday, 38 degrees. It's windy on Monday. We're keeping an eye on that day as a cold front rolls in. We're up to 50 again. And it does look to bring some winds Monday evening and Monday night. Tuesday, temperatures in the low 30s. Some light snow is possible looking ahead to next Wednesday. We'll be right back.
Forecast at 6, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Tracking a cold front moving through central New York this evening. On one side of the front, we're seeing a changeover to snow in the Adirondacks. On the other side, we're seeing thunderstorms, and that's where we're going to start this evening. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Detecting lightning strikes in Otsego County and getting some reports of some thunder. There's a stronger part of this cell in the southern half of the area, just south of Morris. There could be some pretty strong wind gusts with this as well. So just a heads up here, if you're driving along I-88, you're going to be running into some pretty heavy rain, and again, some gusty winds, certainly a possibility as this heads to the east. The northern side of this, again, some cooler weather taking place. And again, this is expected to turn over to some very light snow here as we head into tonight. Current temperature is 43 degrees. We hit a high of 50. It was a very warm day, but things are beginning to change as colder air works in. I got to switch over to light snow tonight, windy and colder tomorrow. We're also tracking more winds. In fact, even stronger winds possible looking ahead to Monday. We'll take a look at that coming up. Rain and breezy, and again, some thunder and lightning, especially south of the Mohawk Valley over the next hour or so. We're tracking this cold front moving through the region that's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Local counties are seeing...
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. Tracking a cold front bringing rain, wind, and a drop in temperature. Let's take a live look outside, overlooking the city of Utica. This is our Cabby Tower Cam. And again, we are looking at rain across most of our area this evening. I want to focus on the southern part of our area. Oneonta, getting some thunder and lightning, some pretty heavy rain and gusty winds. In fact, just based on some of the radar returns, wouldn't be surprised if this is producing winds over 45 to perhaps 50 miles an hour. So again, this is one of those strange late season thunderstorm scenarios where these still could produce some damaging winds in localized areas. So we'll keep an eye on that. And in fact, we will put a track on this as it gradually heads to the east. And it's moving at about 30 miles an hour. So let's put a track on this and show you where it's headed. Oneonta 615, Emmons 620, West Davenport 625, Davenport at around 637. Heading to the north, there's less in the way of thunder, but more in the way of steady, colder rain. In fact, cold enough to switch over to snow. Higher elevations are beginning to see that rain-snow mix. we will see a transition over to very light snow heading into tonight. Temperature-wise, colder north where the cold front moved through earlier, 36 in West Leiden, 38 in Barneveld, Schuyler 41. Across southern valleys, Hartwick 45 degrees, and Milford checks in with 43. We're also keeping an eye on the winds. Some gusty winds tomorrow, as well as Saturday, breezy conditions Saturday. The next weather maker arrives Sunday night and into Monday. There is the chance that we could see some strong winds with this. We'll keep an eye on it. We're looking at the data, and that's possible that we could have some of the stronger wind. As things become a little bit clearer and a little bit more certain, we may be issuing an alert day for that, so stay tuned. So you look at the radar and satellite image, we are tracking a cold front and producing much cooler weather heading into tomorrow, and again, some very light snow showers in its wake. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, again, some light snow overnight, less than an inch of accumulation. Temperatures will drop below freezing by tomorrow morning. Clouds give way to sunshine tomorrow afternoon. It's a breezy, if not windy day. Wind gusts up to about 30 miles an hour. High temperatures in the low 30s. Tomorrow night, the weather quiets down. Some light snow showers look to return heading into Saturday. Saturday, 8 a.m., cloudy skies, temperatures in the low 30s. And again, some widespread light snow and temperatures above freezing Saturday. The snow likely having a hard time sticking. Snow showers tonight, and again, little accumulation, 29 for the overnight low. Tomorrow, a return to reality. Snow showers early. It's going to be much cooler. Temperatures in the low to mid 30s with breezy conditions. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. And some light snow showers Saturday, 37. Sunday, cloudy, 38. Windy but warm Monday, high of 50. Strong cold front arrives Monday night. Temperatures are back into the 30s heading into Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll be right back.
Now for a first look at the forecast, let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Good evening, Bill.
Good evening, Jason. Good evening, everyone. Tracking some very mild weather today, along with some windy conditions that took place earlier this evening as a cold front moved through the area. We saw rain, we saw wind, we even saw thunder and lightning south of the Mohawk Valley. That system has moved to the south, and in its wake, we are still seeing some lingering showers and light snow. It's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A few light snow showers will be lingering into tonight. Little accumulation is expected. Current temperature is still 40 degrees. We are above freezing, and we have a wind from the west-northwest. It's going to be a breezy night tonight, and we are going to be dealing with wind heading into tomorrow. Looking at our weather headlines again, we'll focus on some breezy conditions tomorrow afternoon, and we'll get a break from the wind Saturday, but the winds start to ramp up again. In fact, it looks like we could be talking about some strong winds heading into Monday. Your temperature trend, we're going to get another day that's going to be as warm as today, and that looks to be Monday, up to 50 again. Other than that particular day, temperatures will be in the 30s. Tonight, overnight lows drop into the upper 20s with a few scattered snow showers. We're taking a look at breezy and chilly Friday. Look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. One person is dead.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are taking a live look outside. Our Cav tower cam is shaking. That's because we have some wind moving through central New York. A windy night tonight. It's going to be windy over the next couple of days. We're tracking weather in the wake of a cold front and still seeing some light rain and some snow showers on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at what we're seeing here. Again, light rain in the lower elevations, snow showing up in some of the hilltops. You can see the color change from green indicating rain to light blue indicating light snow. The snowfall tonight does not look to accumulate too much at all. Tomorrow, a windy and cold day. The majority of it is looking dry. Some light snow showers in the morning. If you're working outdoors, dress nice and warm. Again, temperatures near 30, in the 30s, but it's going to feel like upper teens to low 20s throughout the majority of the day because the wind is going to continue. Take a look at the wind. This is a look at the latest wind gusts across the area, 33 miles an hour out of Griffiths. So again, windy conditions persist into tonight. Some windy conditions for Friday too. We could see wind gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Saturday, breezy, so the winds do decrease. Then Sunday, the winds pick up later in the day. I've highlighted Monday for the potential of damaging winds in the sense of the earliest data that we're looking at for Monday indicates wind gusts between about 45 to 50 miles an hour. That could still change, but again, we are going to be extra cautious here, and we want to give you a heads up here for Monday. If the data is more concrete, we will likely include Monday as a Storm Tracker 2 alert day, so we'll be keeping you posted on that. Radar and satellite image shows a cold front that continues to march to the east, and behind it, some scattered snow showers. That'll be the weather here heading into tonight. Some light snow showers, little accumulation. A few of these linger into early tomorrow, so a flurry or two is possible early Friday morning. We're expecting drier weather to take place Friday afternoon and Friday evening. Temperatures climb into the low 30s, again with the wind feeling colder than that. Some sunshine here later in the day. Tomorrow night, increasing clouds. Saturday, the next weather system approaches. We'll see temperatures start out in the low 30s with cloud cover, and some widespread light snow rolls into the region for Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. Most areas do not get an accumulation, but the North Country could pick up an inch or two of snowfall Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. And again, looking at snowfall here heading into the weekend. Again, an inch or two possible north of the Mohawk Valley. Snow showers tonight, low of 29. Tomorrow, windy and chilly. Snow showers early, a high of 34. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Again, some light snow here Saturday, 37. Sunday is looking dry. It is quite windy here Monday. We're also quite warm, high of 50. Much colder weather for Tuesday. Light snow on Wednesday, temperatures near 40. Looking ahead to next Thursday. We'll be right back.
Look at the forecast. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Tracking a cold front moving through central New York. It produced showers, even some thunderstorms earlier this evening, especially south of the Mohawk Valley. We're seeing the leftovers of that moving through the region. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. And so now with the front moving to the south, we're seeing a transition from rain over to some light snow. The snow tonight will be on the light side. We're not expecting much of an accumulation for most areas. It's still 40 degrees at Griffiths and Rome. We got into the 50s earlier today. A west wind at around 13 miles an hour. The winds will be blustery here over the next couple of days. Again, some snow showers tonight. Breezy, cooler weather tomorrow. Another round of wind on Monday. Monday's wind could be strong. We're going to take a closer look at that coming up. The temperature trend. In general, temperatures will be in the 30s over the next couple of days, but we'll hit 50 again on Monday, and it could be even warmer than that in spots. Temperatures will drop back into the 30s on Tuesday. Snow showers tonight, low of 29. Tracking the weather at the bus stop as the kids head off to school tomorrow. That's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. New information.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking some light snow showers and breezy conditions. We'll see this weather through tomorrow morning. The snow showers will come to an end as we head into the afternoon. This is a live look outside. Our Cavi Tower Cam bounce around occasionally with some gusty winds this evening. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're dealing with leftover rain and snow showers. A closer look shows rain showers in the lower elevations as temperatures are above freezing, but we are seeing snow showers along hilltop locations. A light snowfall accumulation is expected tonight, mainly along hilltops. If you're working outdoors tomorrow, dress nice and warm. It is going to be a cold, windy afternoon. Temperatures in the 30s with the wind chill will likely be in the teens and low 20s, and it's mostly dry for the majority of the day. Just a few light snow showers early in the morning. Wind gusts over the past hour, about 30 miles an hour across the Mohawk Valley. The winds will be around tomorrow. We'll see similar wind gusts heading into tomorrow afternoon that we saw earlier this evening. A somewhat break in the wind on Saturday. They will be lighter. Sunday, windy conditions. And on Monday, we've highlighted Monday for the potential of some strong winds. Winds thinking about 40 to 50 miles an hour with the next area of low pressure. It's still several days away, so some uncertainties here, but if the data that we're seeing continues to look this strong, we'll likely be issuing a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for Monday, so we'll continue to keep you posted. The radar and satellite image shows a cold front heading to the east, and behind it some colder air and some lingering snow showers, and these will be around heading into tonight. Again, little snowfall accumulation is expected. Here's the scene tomorrow morning. Cloudy skies, some flurries, windy and cold. We'll see a return to some sunshine as we head into Friday afternoon and Friday evening, with temperatures climbing into the 30s. Increasing clouds tomorrow night. A weak area of low pressure approaches the area on Saturday. Saturday looks cloudy with some light snow showers, especially north of the Mohawk Valley. With temperatures near or above freezing for most of Saturday, the snow is going to have a hard time sticking, but again, the higher elevations may pick up an inch or two of accumulation. Not much snow is expected here over the next two events, again tonight as well as Saturday night. Most areas pick up just a coating. Snow showers tonight, low of 29. Tomorrow, clouds give way to sunshine. Again, a couple of flurries in the morning, a breezy and colder afternoon, a high of 34. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast, light snow Saturday, 37. Again, little accumulation. Sunday is looking dry and cloudy, 38. Windy and warm on Monday, 50 for the high. Temperatures drop quickly. Tuesday's high 32, mix of some rain and snow possible Wednesday. Temperatures back to 40. Looking ahead to Thursday. We'll be right back.